Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text friends on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Look for the inbox icon, which resembles a speech bubble, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Tapping this will take you to your direct messages. From there, you can see existing conversations or start new ones. It's a straightforward process to connect with your friends and share content directly. Once you've selected a friend or started a new chat, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type your message there and hit send. You can also tap the camera icon to quickly snap and send a photo or video. To share a TikTok video you're watching, just tap the share button on the video and select your friend from the direct message options. It's super easy to keep your conversations lively. TikTok also allows you to create group chats, perfect for planning with multiple friends. Just select several contacts when starting a new message. To make conversations more expressive, you can react to any message by long pressing it and choosing from a variety of emojis or stickers. If you ever encounter inappropriate content or unwanted messages, remember you can easily block or report users directly from the chat settings to ensure a safe experience. Managing your conversations is simple. You can swipe left on any chat in your inbox to reveal options like deleting the conversation or muting notifications if you need a break. Don't forget to check your privacy settings to control who can send you direct messages, ensuring only friends or approved followers can reach out. And speaking of making things better, check the description below for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Keep your TikTok chats organized and your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.